Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy the video, please consider leaving a comment or giving us a like. Today, we're stepping back into the 1860s, a time when the thunder of artillery echoed across American fields. These Civil War cannons, captured here in action, represent the raw mechanical power that shaped some of the most pivotal battles in our nation's history. The American Civil War began in 1861, driven by deep divisions over slavery, states' rights, and the future direction of the country. The Union and the Confederacy clashed in over 10,000 engagements, from small skirmishes to massive battles like Gettysburg and Antietam. More than 600,000 lives were lost, making it one of the deadliest conflicts in American history. Artillery played a decisive role, controlling terrain, breaking enemy lines, and supporting infantry movements. The cannons you see here are typical of mid-19th century field artillery. Most were muzzle-loading, smoothbore or rifled guns, firing solid shot, explosive shells, or canister rounds. To fire one, a trained crew of up to 8 men worked in perfect rhythm, loading powder, ramming the projectile, priming the vent, and pulling the lanyard. A single shot required several pounds of black powder, generating enough force to launch a projectile over a mile. The recoil alone could shove the cannon backward several feet. These demonstrations remind us of the immense skill and danger faced by artillery crews on both sides. As you watch these cannons roar to life, you're seeing a powerful piece of American history preserved and brought forward for modern audiences. Thanks for watching. Please consider leaving a comment or giving us a like. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you're here for the next one.